XIAOMI Mi A2 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar, and let's just assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys simultaneously and you just capture the screen. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down and you just save the screen. So now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with your screenshot, you have to open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the upper bar and tapping screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by finding and selecting the photos right here. Let's tap albums and here you can tap screenshots and you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.